This is the MIATONE QBOX, and this thing claims to be rugged, waterproof, and super punchy, all for under 40 bucks, so let's see if it delivers. Getting into the unboxing here. Looks like right on top here we get both a USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable and a 3.5mm audio jack cord. We get some information and our instruction manual as well. And moving on, here is the Bluetooth speaker itself. It's got this nice webbed grill on here. Looks like a little subwoofer on top, so this thing might actually have some punch. On the front here, it looks like we get a play pause button, volume up, volume down, little LED indicator or microphone. I'm not exactly sure which that is. And then I'm not sure what this button on the bottom looks like to make the song loop. On the back, we get our power button, and then looks like underneath this flap here, there is the 3.5mm audio jack, and then on the other side is the USB Type-C for charging. It also has this cool little paracord loop, so you can actually hook it on stuff. Very nice. Let's see if this thing turns on. I don't think so. I think I'm gonna have to charge this up. Alrighty, I got some charge in it. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Ooh, that sounded a little bassy, actually. Also, I do really like this flap on the back here. You really have to push on it. It's got a nice watertight seal to protect those ports. This one back here, there's the little LED here that shows when the device is charging, and then there's a power indicator here, which shows when the device is on and pairing. So let's go ahead and get a device connected. Nice little chime there. Let's play some music and see how this thing sounds. Alright, I got some music playing at around 50% volume. I don't know if you can see that, the subwoofer's actually bumping a little bit. I'm gonna turn it all the way up for a second and see how loud this thing can get. Wow, for a $40 Bluetooth speaker, I was not expecting that. This thing actually packs a surprising punch for its size. It's not going to be the bassiest thing out there, but this subwoofer definitely helps a lot. And it can get really loud, and it's very nice and clear. All the instruments and vocals are nicely separated. You can hear everything. It's actually a very nice quality Bluetooth speaker. The build quality feels really nice as well. This thing comes in at just 3.7 inches by 3.2 inches, which is quite impressive, especially for the sound this thing's putting out. And again, it feels very nice and rugged. It's waterproof, so if you're using it in the kitchen, it accidentally falls in the sink, or if you're out camping or hiking or something like that, you really don't have to worry about this thing getting wet. They claim it can stay underwater for up to 30 minutes. Now, what is giving this quite impressive sound is two 8-watt speakers inside the speaker and then a 16-watt subwoofer on top. And the bass on this thing isn't like earth-shattering or anything, but it's definitely there. You can hear the beat and the bass in your music, and it's just no distortion, just actually very quality sound out of this thing. And you can grab another one of these, and you can link them both together for a stereo sound setup. I think that would sound pretty good as well. This thing is also rocking Bluetooth 5.0 with a 100-foot range, so quite impressive. So if you want to set this somewhere and go, walk off with your phone somewhere, yeah, you can go up to 100 feet without disconnecting. Quite nice. The 2500 milliamp hour battery in this thing should last you around 10 hours at medium volume listening, and that kind of drops down to around 6 to 7 hours at 100% volume, but still, that's like a full day at like max volume with this thing. Now, I've never heard of the MIATONE brand until now, but I'm honestly quite impressed with this speaker. For 35 to 40 bucks, you're getting a pretty punchy little speaker that gets super loud, it's super clear, it's waterproof, it's rugged, and you can kind of take it anywhere with you. So I think this is a really cool speaker. I will leave a link to it down in the description below if you guys are interested in checking it out for yourselves. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.